Let's start with an amazing invention from Australia called Hose2Go. It's a simple and reliable gadget designed to provide a steady water supply. Its main job is to keep harmful dust or sawdust from spreading in the air when using tools by keeping them wet. This makes the dust heavier so it falls to the ground. The Hose2Go maintains constant water pressure without needing a pump, complicated electronics, or batteries. It has a 14-litre tank, which gives you 30 minutes of continuous use. When the water runs out, you just connect it to any tap to refill. According to the maker, the Hose2Go is becoming more popular every day. No match or lighter can reach the high temperature needed to heat charcoal to 2000 degrees CC. Fortunately, the RocketFire propane tank nozzle can do the job. This small attachment, which looks like a crane's beak, connects to the tank and ignites the gas instantly. In just seconds, your grill will be on fire. A few years ago, the creators funded this project through Kickstarter, but now they have their own factory. You can get the RocketFire for a minimum price of $145. These aren't props from an Iron Man movie. They're the Inco AHM 1112 welding goggles with an automatic dimming feature. Unlike regular welding helmets, which make everything look dark and blurry, these goggles protect your eyes without compromising visibility. Normally, you'd have to take off your helmet to check your work, but with the Inco AHM 1112, you don't need to touch your helmet with oily gloves. A smart sensor near your forehead detects when you start welding and automatically darkens the glass. With these goggles, you can't blame welding mistakes on poor visibility. What do you do if a rock or other object gets stuck in a pipe? Cutting the pipe with a saw isn't the best solution. Luckily, Finnish engineers have created a solution called Pipe Catcher. This device has 3 air-powered claws that work like a snake. It goes into the pipe, finds the object, and grabs onto it. Tests have shown that Pipe Catcher is so strong it can even move a car. The device is controlled by an air valve. When the valve is closed, the claws open up. When the valve is turned 90 degrees, the strong air pressure closes the claws. This snake-like device can handle the job with ease. Who says dump trucks have to be big, heavy, and hard to move? The HG Mini Dumper, designed in Denmark, is easy to handle, mobile, and simple to use. It can carry up to 1 ton of cargo, which is plenty for local construction projects. The HG runs on a Honda electric motor, allowing it to travel up to 6 km/h and lift its body with hydraulics. Danish experts are proud that their creation has been on city streets since 1970. What other model has a 50-year history? Sometimes, plants aren't attacked by zombies but by weeds. For thousands of years, weeds have been a problem for gardeners and farmers. The Hill-tip weed striker helps control unwanted weeds in an eco-friendly way by using water heated to 98 degrees C. The water boils in a large boiler that can easily fit in the back of a pickup truck. An electric pump, which can be set up using the Strike Smart app, ensures the system works efficiently. Dandelions better get ready for this tough, hot fight. Cable reels need to be handled carefully, no matter their size. The iToolCo reel jacks are designed for safe use on construction sites. They consist of 2 legs connected by a strong cylinder where the reel is placed. The worker can lift or lower the reel by turning a crank. 4 bearings with a total load capacity of 9 tons ensure smooth rotation. The reel jacks can be assembled in just a minute and can even be installed on the back of a truck. The manufacturer promises that the stands will securely hold the reel, even with any shocks. If you've recently remodeled your house, you might have struggled with gaps in the drywall. It can feel like even tons of caulk won't fill them. For your next home improvement project, consider using Mesh Taper. This small tool with a handy roller applies mesh tape over the joints, sealing any gaps with just one pass along the wall, even if they're as large as the Grand Canyon. The device has a comfortable handle and an adjustable blade. The thin but strong tape won't leave noticeable bumps or roughness under the caulk. The price of the mesh taper starts at $32. If you accidentally grew a 20-meter poplar tree instead of the shrubs you intended, you need to learn more about trees. But don't worry, poplars can look attractive if you trim them with the M18 telescopic pruner. This pruner extends up to 3 meters and runs on a battery. One charge is enough to cut 2,000 branches with a maximum thickness of up to 2.5 centimeters. The manufacturer claims that the pruner reduces the workload by up to 80% and finishes the job 3 times faster than an experienced gardener using a mechanical pruner. Let's hope this isn't just a marketing trick. The next item on our list today is quite unique. It's called the IML Resi Power Drill, and it's designed to check the key features of a tree. This tool uses a powerful laser that goes through the trunk to detect any hollow areas, cracks, or decay. It can also identify fungi, pests, and physical damage. To get a thorough analysis, you need to take measurements at least 30 times from the roots all the way up to the top. Once you know what's wrong, you can start treating the tree. However, remember that the IML Resi Power Drill won't help with the treatment process. Helping nature isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. The next item on our list today is quite unique. It's called the IML Resi Power Drill, and it's designed to check the key features of a tree. This tool uses a powerful laser that goes through the trunk to detect any hollow areas, cracks, or decay. It can also identify fungi, pests, and physical damage. To get a thorough analysis, you need to take measurements at least 30 times from the roots all the way up to the top. Once you know what's wrong, you can start treating the tree. However, remember that the IML Resi Power Drill won't help with the treatment process. Helping nature isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. When an apartment features marble columns and ceiling moldings, measuring all the curves of the baseboard can be challenging. Fortunately, there's a tool called Tracer designed for this situation. It includes sliding retractable plates that press against the wall to replicate its exact shape. This shape can then be easily transferred to the drywall. To maintain the plate's shape and prevent sagging, they have 2 thick strips at the top and bottom. Tracer is available in 2 sizes, 130mm and 250mm.